At least there's some deer in the woods. Not a whole lot going on. Used to be tons of people here 10 years ago. I think they had like 200 or 300 people over here. Kind of hard to believe now. It's been sitting empty for a couple years. And it's been stripped of all the water tanks and pumps and generators, and it's basically just a shell of itself, which is pretty sad to see. But that's how it is now up in the Emerald Triangle. It's a ghost town. When I first came out here 20 years ago, it was busy. In town, on the road, up here. Now there's not a lot going on. It might be from coyotes. I've been hearing them over here a couple nights. I have seen a bear over here before. It's a pretty big property, but the so-called Murder Mountain is about 15 minutes down the road. I think it's a little nicer up here. The properties are bigger. Oh, there's a baby deer. Can't really see it. There he goes. And there's some stuff still out here. It's nice. But yeah, Rancho, or Murder Mountain as they call it, it's all a lot smaller properties, 10 acres. So you got people close together. Now, last time I was over here, they had like taken all the water tanks, but they left this huge 50,000, I think it was a 50,000 gallon tank. It's a bladder. Let's see if it's still here. Thing is pretty big. Wow. Can't even tell there were gardens there. It's been overgrown. I don't think they've grown on this for 5 years, maybe more, 4 or 5 years, maybe more. Huh. Wow. Looks like they took it out. They even took the bladder. That's crazy. It was full, mind you. But I guess these things are worth money, so somebody grabbed it. Yeah, it was right here, and now it's gone. It was this whole thing. That's interesting. Leftover from the grow. Just goes to show you they were spending a lot of money here. Buying water trucks. All kinds of stuff. Looks like somebody had target practice on this one. You hope. Golf cart. All kinds of stuff goes to waste. The hills up here are full of all kinds of stuff that you won't believe. People just abandoned ship the last 5 years, maybe more. All right, I'm gonna climb up to the top.